स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ इन्फोसिस टेक एम विप्रो shares up to 5%, while Nifty IT railed 3% on Friday. Analysts anticipated a stronger growth recovery for IT sector in financial year 2027 compared to financial year 2026, driven by an improvement in demand, more stable micro condition, increased budgetary spending, and deal ramp-ups. Shares of information technology companies were in demand on Friday, with the National Stock Exchange Nifty IT index rallying 3.3%. On this came after Infosys reported steady sequential growth driven by healthcare boost and large deal ramp-up in a seasonal weak quarter Q3 financial year 2026. Share price of Infosys surged 5.6% to 1,689 on the NSE, and the company revised the revenue growth guidance upward while maintaining its operating profit margin band. The top gainer in the Nifty IT index was Oracle Financial Service 7,899, which rallied 5 to 7%, followed by Tech Mahindra up 5 to 16%. LTIM Minute 3 6,308, which rose 4.6%, and MFIX 2,886.80 that gained 3 to 5%. Wipro Corporate Data Consultancy Service TCS President System and HCL Tech, a part of the IT index, gain in the range of 2 to 3%. Nifty IT index was the top gainer among sectoral indices. According to analysis at the LR Capital, Infosys is witnessing a recovery in the banking, financial service, insurance, and energy verticals, while others may take some time to recover. Infosys also maintains that it is a preferred artificial intelligence partner for top 50 out of top 25 banking clients. It is the benefiting from vendor consolidation deals and deal total contract value TCV continue to see an upward trajectory, which should provide growth visibility in the medium terms. The company is working on 4,600 AI projects and has identified 6 AI lead value pool where they can drive faster growth going forward. The impact of H-1B visa constant has been minimal, the brokerage firm said.